Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to unpublish a Facebook business page starting from 2023. So this is the new way how you can unpublish a Facebook page if you are using the new Facebook page experience. If you are still using the classic Facebook page, the process of unpublishing is different, so make sure to check out my older video on my channel on how to unpublish a classic Facebook page. But if you're using the new Facebook page experience, first open up the Facebook page and make sure you have switched into the Facebook page. So this is really important so we can unpublish the Facebook page. So as you can see, if you click here, the Facebook page name has to match the Facebook page you want to unpublish. And once you have switched into the Facebook page, here's how to unpublish a Facebook page. Click on the Facebook page account icon, then select settings and privacy, then select settings. Then on the left, select privacy, then select on the left again Facebook page information. Then you're going to see this deactivation and deletion option here. Click on view, and as you can see, the option to unpublish a Facebook page, which means that the page will be disabled temporarily, so it won't be deleted permanently, and it will be hidden from the public and people who like the Facebook page, is now called, instead of unpublishing a page, it's called deactivation. So if you want to unpublish a Facebook page, a new Facebook page experience, from now on you have to deactivate it. So in this case we have to choose this option, and this is a temporary decision that can be reversed. So click on continue, add the password of your Facebook account, then click on continue. So then you select an option where you're unpublishing or deactivating this Facebook page, and you can also opt out from receiving future emails from Facebook. Once you have selected one, just click on deactivate, and now make sure to confirm that you want to deactivate, aka unpublish this Facebook page. Click on deactivate now, and now this page should be unpublished from Facebook. As you can see, we have been redirected to our Facebook personal account. If we click on pages and go back to our page list, now we're gonna see under the deactivated section the page that is currently unpublished. So if you want to publish the page again, just click on activate here, and now the page is published again, and so it's visible once again, so it has been reactivated.